Yan mga kapatid, sa lahat ng mga avid fans ni ni BBM, I would like you to know that I am for Marcos Fim, Ferdinand Marcos the great, but this kind of president right now, there is no gesture and there is no gesture of love, and there is no essence of being a Marcos to lead the Philippines. So therefore, I conclude this hypocrite president is being betray all people of the Philippines, that he speak it out before that he will out the Italiano gold and 20 per kg rice. That is their platform, the government, but they will not do it. So therefore, they are sinungaling, kapatid ng magnanakaw. Bye-bye mga kapatid. Like and share lang if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit notification bell para maging updated kayo. At lahat ng mga maharlika dyan, like din kayo dito sa ating sa ating video, sapagkat pangit din naman talaga ang pamumuno ng presidente ngayon. Hindi talaga totoong Marcos. Bye-bye mga kapatid. Love you, because love is the most important to us, no? Love and care to those people who are in the Philippines. That's why Maharlika flagging for us, no, na because he loved the Philippines, as she loved the Philippines, therefore she is against the PBBM leadership right now, because wala siyang nagawa kundi nagsisinungaling lang siya. Bye-bye mga kapatid. Love you all. Philippines. Shout out.